Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the two marketplaces that are available online right now. First one is called Etsy and the other is called Shopify. And obviously these two marketplaces are the biggest in the niches right now, and a lot of work is being done. So if you're an individual that is thinking about starting dropshipping, then obviously this is the video for you. So watch the whole video to understand which marketplace you should start selling to ensure that you can make a massive profit. And obviously we will go step by step. I'm going to show you the advantages and disadvantages for each one of them. And in the end, I'm going to tell you the one that we love and are using and could be a massive opportunity for you as well. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. So without further ado, let's start. The first marketplace that we're going to discuss is called Etsy. Now, Etsy is a place where you can find and sell a lot of items and products, but there's a lot of advantages and disadvantages. You can discover uniquely hand-picked items as well, such as modern farmware and also electric decor with boho decor as well, and you can shop for popular gift categories. The community is quite interesting, and obviously for that reason a lot of individuals turn to Etsy. Now, Etsy has a lot of disadvantages as well that you can't find in other different places, because these are places obviously that different items cannot easily be found, and the prices that you find on Etsy are considerably higher. But if you want to find Christmas sales events and also jewelry and accessories, as well as clothing and shoes, you can see all the different niches that Etsy is actually working in right now. And these are opportunities for individuals as well. But the way the layout is done and the user interface that's been created and the experience that you get is not as simple and straightforward and easy as you get with Shopify. So if you don't have a Shopify account, you can easily get a Shopify account by clicking in the description below on the link and getting it for 90 days. Now, obviously, Shopify is one of the competitors to Etsy, and I think with Etsy being in that kind of a team, it's very difficult to compete with them. And that is the reason why if you head over to Etsy selling, you'll see why millions of shoppers can't wait to see what's in store. And obviously you can join in creative marketplace where millions of shoppers spend billions each year purchasing directly from creative entrepreneurs as well, with great value and powerful tools and support and education that's available. The competition is very stiff between both these amazing marketplaces, but clear differential elements are in place as well, which we will look at in a second, such as the simple and transparent being secure in Etsy with a 0.20 listing fee, which is not implemented when we go on Shopify but is available on Etsy, with a 6.5 transaction fee and a PayPal fee as well for 15% for offsite ads fee that is available and put on Etsy, with a simple and powerful tool that is available that gives Etsy the edge. But when you're managing your business from anywhere, analytics to improve your sales, and promotional tools that drive traffic and accept payments seamlessly. So it's very difficult to select which one you should go for. But honestly, there's a lot of elements that you have to keep in mind. For example, Etsy, you can choose your own pathway. For example, you go for the standard, where you get everything that you need to start and manage, which is completely free with no additional monthly costs. But if you go for the plus, an expanded set of tools to help you jumpstart growth and express your brand for $10 a month. But if you head over to Shopify, where you can dream it and you can sell it with Shopify, and you can discover the reasons why millions of entrepreneurs right now are choosing Shopify to build their business. And honestly speaking, guys, one of the major things and the reason why I personally feel Shopify gets the competitive advantage to Etsy is because you can bring your vision to life with their easy to use store creator, and you don't need any coding experience to create something that is truly unique. And you can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers, and you can add even more features and functionalities to your online store with the app extensions from trusted Shopify partners. You can connect with customers everywhere, and that is the reason I personally feel that Shopify gets a huge competitive advantage, because the individuals across the globe that use Shopify are considerably higher. They're in the millions, while on the other hand, Etsy has maybe 100,000 or a little more over than that. You can sell online, in person, or both with the marketing tools, social integrations, and sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. Everything that you need to succeed is available, from managing inventories, tracking payments, and viewing real-time business insights from a single dashboard. They've built all the tools that you need so you can focus on building your business, something that is not available at this level at Etsy. They do have it, but is it as competitive and as amazing on Shopify? I highly doubt it, because Shopify understands how they need to empower entrepreneurs everywhere in the globe. And the way they stand out is because millions of merchants worldwide are using Shopify right now. They're in 175 countries, so there's a global reach that is available with multiple locations that are given to individuals to ensure that they can set up business in multiple locations and get customers from anywhere in the world and have a global reach. They are supporting 5 million jobs since 2021 with a global economic activity of $444 billion. And obviously, combining all these elements together, they're able to create something that is truly unique. And if you click on sell over here and you click on sell everywhere, you will head over to the next page, which I honestly believe is the cornerstone for success. And I feel Shopify has done an amazing job in developing the perfect strategy for buyers and sellers and creating a platform that lets you sell wherever your customers are, online, in person, everything in between as well. With their online stores, with their point of sales, with their buy button, with their sales channels, they are completely able to create an amazing business opportunity that was not available at least 10 to 15 years ago. And as you customize your brand and as you build your brand, you're able to select themes from 70 different amazing customizable themes. You have a drag and drop store builder with custom domains. And obviously, by creating a point of sale, you can stand out with retail experience for better shopping experience. And obviously, once you understand the customer and once you give an experience to a customer, that customer turns out to be a loyal customer, a customer that always comes back, and a happy customer. And a happy customer is a returning customer, and a returning customer becomes a loyal customer. And that customer is going to be the backbone upon which you can create a business. And that is the reason why integrating different applications and having the social media power with Shopify, it gives you a huge competitive advantage to Etsy. And that is the reason why millions of entrepreneurs across the globe right now are turning to Shopify. And if you do not have a Shopify account, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. And obviously, the elements of e-commerce gives you the embedded products and a secure checkout with a customizable button that gives you a very unique experience to your buyers. You can even extend your reach and get your products in front of more shoppers and grow your audience and sales by boosting awareness on social media networks like Instagram and Facebook, with their online marketplaces where you can expand your reach and your business when you tap into the largest customer base in the world like Amazon and eBay. And that, my friend, is the reason why I highly recommend individuals to check out Shopify. And that is the reason why I highly recommend individuals to check out Shopify. So let's head over to the pricing and see what the pricing element are for Shopify. They have three basic elements that are available: the basic, the Shopify, and the advanced. And if you go for the yearly, you save up to 10%. And obviously, if you don't have an account and you click in the description below, you can get Shopify for 90 days for $1. And basically, with a basic element, you get everything that you need to create your store and ship your products and process your payments. And with Shopify, for $49 a month, you can level up your business with professional reporting and more staff accounts. And with the advanced, which is for $299 per month, you can get the best of Shopify with custom reporting and the lowest transaction fee. But if we head over to SD, you'll see the main element of here, which is the fact they have a listing fee, which is 20 cents every time you list a product. And my friend, that is a massive problem. They have a 6.5 transaction fee and a PayPal fee as well. But on the other hand, Shopify does not have that, with a 15% for offsite ads fee as well. That obviously makes this not a perfect place to start selling immediately. So my recommendation is to check out the description, get the link, and start selling on Shopify for 30 days to understand how you can do it. If you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, because I'm here to support you, to guide you, and to assist you. And obviously, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, obviously on your Twitter as well, so more people can find out how amazing Shopify is, and obviously what are the advantages and disadvantages of SD and Shopify, so they can choose the perfect marketplace where they want to sell their products. And I personally believe the Shopify needs to be given a chance, because Shopify gives you an opportunity of a lifetime to get you the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about and break away from the 9-to-5 rat race that you're stuck in. And obviously, you can bring your dreams to a reality, and especially with Christmas around the corner right now, this is the perfect opportunity for you guys to enter this market. And obviously with the support, assistance, and guidance that we provide on our channel and what you get from Shopify, you can leverage and get a competitive advantage right now in this time and period. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.